Hello everyone, welcome to today's edition of The Bottom Line. Here are the top headlines of the day. ASI extends closure of monuments till 31st May. Etihad Airways introduces verified to fly travel document initiative. COVID-19 certificate will be a signal for travel in Europe, Germany says. IRCTC offers work from hotel package in Kerala. SpiceJet to start vaccination drive for all employees from May 17th. Holiday giant TUI optimistic about summer tourism rebound in United Kingdom. All centrally protected monuments, which were closed in April due to the rise in COVID-19 cases, will remain closed till May 31st or until further orders, due to current COVID-19 situation, said Archaeological Survey of India. Prahlad Singh Patel, Union Culture and Tourism Minister, said the Archaeological Survey of India has decided to keep all its monuments closed till May 31st due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Travelers flying from Abu Dhabi with Etihad Airways will be able to validate their COVID-19 travel documents before arriving at the airport. With formalities out of the way, verified travelers can enjoy fast-track check-in at the airport by going to the dedicated Verify to Fly desk for a quicker and smoother experience. Mohammad Al Buluki, COO, Etihad Aviation Group, said, Verify to Fly removes any guesswork from the equation and makes check-in faster. Germany hopes for a swift agreement on a COVID-19 certificate that could allow citizens to travel more easily in European Union, as more and more countries are opening up amid falling infection rates ahead of the summer holiday season. Michel Roth, German Europe Minister, said, This is not only important for countries depending on tourism but for all of us. It is a clear signal for freedom of movement and for mobility in the European Union. That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. For more such travel and tourism industry updates, stay tuned till Monday. Have a great day ahead.